All right, y'all. Happy Tuesday. From the second we started this Tuesday, y'all said y'all don't have any time for any misunderstandings. That is Drake nonstop. So y'all about to do something nonstop, or again, you don't got time for that. 87, 87, 61, 61, 77666, and then 666 separate were y'all's angel numbers that I remember. And someone is saying nights like this. So again, a Taurus or LA, California could be significant. Y'all just not playing with anybody. And I don't blame you. Right now is not the time to play. So what are you saying? Nonstop, nonstop, nonstop. Nonstop. Seven of Swords reverse. People are just always trying to be in your business, but they never find out anything. Y'all keep it so shallow, so general, so vague that people they don't understand you. Five of Cups. So people feel like you're tricking them because you're not telling them what you're doing. So they're sad. They're sad and you're happy. This is just giving me watch everybody that's around you right now. Four of Cups reverse, Knight of Swords reverse. Why is someone always this sad? So they're pretending to go within. Maybe they're having just inner conflict with themselves because you're not going back and forth with them. Death reverse. Queen of Wands reverse. Death. So rebirth and transformation. Scorpio energy, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. We got what? What did this Queen of Wands do again? This is 2 days in a row that she is tripping. You guys are getting justice from whatever this Queen of Wands, which BITCH did. What did they do? They try to cause an ending for you. Ending. That could be anything. Or you put an end to arguing back and forth with them. Again, you don't have time for misunderstanding. So there's communication coming through. You're moving on to celebrating, solid foundation, partying, chilling. So it's almost feeling like this person was removed. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, heavy on the Libra and Scorpio. And those seasons are about to come up as well. Page of Pentacles reverse. Someone thought that they were getting some money. Ace of Wands. So if someone thought they were going to get something from you regarding finances, that was a lie. The Devil is reversed. The contract is over. So someone's mad that your home is stable. They thought that they were going to do something crazy. We got Seven of Wands, and that came out on Seven of Swords reverse. So 7-7. Someone did something on 7 something. I said something something 7-7. We got challenge, competition, perfection. Someone thinks you're perfection. Protection, perseverance, confidence, conviction. So you defended yourself from this sneaky energy and they had to walk away. You stood your ground and now they gotta walk away. They gotta back down. So someone misunderstood the assignment. They thought that they could approach you with something. And yeah, it didn't work. 4 of Pentacles reverse. 2 of Cups reverse. Disharmony, distress, conflict, lack of balance, shifting focus, incompatibility, and misunderstanding. Girl, did I not just open up saying Drizzy Drake nonstop? Y'all don't have time for misunderstanding. So someone's sad again because you don't got time for misunderstandings. They want to be misunderstood on purpose. And I'm literally one of those people where, like, if I said it once, I don't want to say it again and again and again. It's like you gave these people 3 times to pretend like they misunderstood you. And then on that 3rd time, they got the message. Impasse, avoidance, 2 of Swords. Opposition, facing your fears, being torn between 2 relationships. They wanted to be chosen. They wanted to be picked. I don't even think you will pick this. You're not picking a pick me. You're picking the person that is maintaining on their own, solid on their own. This Queen of Wands, whether male or female, is tripping. The Devil. Shadow self, addiction, restriction, sexuality, ravage, violence, force, vehemence. Be aware of negative forces holding you back and resist the temptation of materialism and addiction. Oh, they don't have on clothes. Sorry. Knight of Swords, reverse. Okay, so someone is like, oh, I know Ari loves Starbucks, right? And then they're going to be like, okay, so if you want to be with me, I am going to get you a lifetime subscription, unlimited Starbucks, right? And I might be like, oh, that does sound good. Unlimited Starbucks if I'm in a relationship with you. And then next thing you know, the little angel comes out and they're like, nah, don't do that. That's what's happening. Dress it up and make it look good. Dress it up and make it real when it's not real. That's what this Queen of Swords is on. We also got Lifestyle by Rich Homie Quan. Or is it Young Thug? Young Thug is Young Thug, not Rich Homie Quan. Rest in peace, Rich Homie Quan. They're both from Atlanta. Young Thug. Do y'all really think that man sacrificed a goat? So what's up with Young Thug? Page of Wands reverse. Impatient, unfocused, reckless, irresponsible, delayed, blocked, frustrated, discouraged, bored. You put an end to being impatient and unfocused and reckless. Someone just wants you to choose wrong, and that's not happening. 3 of Wands. Someone is watching you. Future planning, decision, sticking, discovery, action plan, possibilities, growth, and openness. That came out on this Queen of Wands reverse. There was no growth with this Queen of Wands. No progress, no forward movement, no action. Girl, we have Justice coming out again. Justice. Justice. Heavy on the Libra energy. Fairness, truth, cause and effect, law, balance, integrity, honesty, decision, accountability. Someone's being forced to do what's right, and that is putting them in a mental tizzy. It's all about accountability. And this person doesn't want to be accountable. Let me see what fell. Because your girl, it fell, but it didn't fall over. Queen of Pentacles. So that this person wanted an option between a Queen of Pentacles. This is the Knight of Cups, reverse. You would definitely go towards the Queen of Pentacles versus a Queen of Wands, reverse. That doesn't even, that equation doesn't even equate. Again, whether this is a man or a woman, the Sun and Three of Cups, was that what? Upright? I told you all going to be celebrating. It's just my lifestyle. I mean, I guess we can throw a ritual on and make you feel some type of way. So someone is just looking at your lifestyle. They think it's not fair that you have whatever you have. And that's not cool because, again, like I said, you actually work for everything that you have. They want to take. Again, this person, five of swords, conflict, disagreement, competition, winning at all costs, self-interest, discord, hostility, aggression, and malice. The High Priestess, upright, subconscious, sensuality, spirituality, thirst for knowledge, and exploring inwardly. Just telling you to trust your intuition with everything and avoid conflict. This person just wants to fight about something that is in your favor. It's designed for you to win. And they just want to throw it off, but they can't. There's nothing that they can do to throw this off. You're already in your new cycle. There's a Four of Pentacles reversed again. That was at the bottom of the deck. What fell over but didn't flip over? Three of Cups reversed. They don't want you celebrating. What's Knight of Swords reverse again? Impulsive, unfocused, reckless, burnt out, thoughtless, neglectful, unwise, misguided, and dead end. So someone's not celebrating because they are reckless. The Moon reverse. So it's not hidden that this person is tripping. Revealing the truth, clarity of vision, releasing, facing reality, confronting the shadow self, and healing trauma. The Empress. Abundant, fertility, motherhood, pregnancy, sensuality, creativity, art, harmony, and luxury. So someone could think that you're putting a love spell on them, and seriously, you're not doing anything to them. That is just your sensuality oozing, your confidence, your je ne sais quoi, your juice. You got the juice and someone's dry AF. And it's just very clear. So someone is in their head because you stay dripping. In a good way. You stay dripping in designer. I don't know why we got Future, but all right, go off Future. You don't even have to be dripping in designer, but that's what the lyrics say, okay? So again, don't be like, Ari, you talk too much. No. So I'm gonna leave it here. Keep doing you and keep these people mad unintentionally and intentionally. Hearts, kisses, and bye.